So it says I was enjoying what made me feel good. So that's just saying that this karmic feminine knew what would get this masculine to fold or whatever. This karmic feminine knew what this masculine liked and used that as an advantage to, manipulate and control him. So he was trying to latch on to divine feminine because he knows that's his next move, and he was saying like, help me, you know. But this karmic feminine that like is nothing for her to lead, but you got to play your role so you don't get exposed. But she was hoping that whatever she was trying to do would work. Basically, try to get this karmic thing, your new masculine to take the karma for her, but because divine feminine has love for this masculine, it's backfire on all of these karmics. And because this karmic feminine agreed to do it, she agreed to take on these third party karmics karma. So it's up to her to take it to them. Why are you bringing to divine feminine what somebody else did to you? Go to that person. And you feel me? You so rah you about that life. You feel me? Motherfucker, go to the people who did it to you. Not. Again, anybody that comes to divine feminine is going to end up going on a healing journey, getting their life together, rethinking their thoughts. You feel me? Making decisions based off of what they think somebody look like. You judging a book by its cover, but don't even know that ain't this book. You feel me? They want to apologize because they've had a change of heart. They say that you have heart. They want to be your friend, but you don't trust these people because of what they did already. You have matured emotionally, and that was the only way that they can manipulate you. So now that you've mastered that, they're trying to find other ways to get to you by using masculines. But this masculine is seeing that you're much stronger and smarter than he thought based off of what these karmics led him to believe, you know? I heard if this helps you make your decision, if this helps you make a better decision, then I'm willing to do this to prove. I don't know. But I feel like anybody that gives you something feels like they're justified to be in your energy. That's why it's best for you to get it on your own. No handouts. So can't nobody say or feel entitled. They want to know how are you achieving anything if you're still here, because you're controlling your own energy. You're controlling your own energy. You're controlling, you feel me? People trying to manipulate you to feel some type of way, so, or you feel me? Distracting you. Okay, that's another thing. This karmic feminine was distracting divine feminine from receiving the connection that this masculine was trying to give. So that when, okay, or this, okay, so, all of y'all hanging out or whatever because you're still trying to fight for this masculine or whatever. So all of y'all are together. he's connecting with divine feminine, but divine feminine is not picking up on it because the karmic feminine is intercepting. Basically, this karmic feminine is distracting the connection so that she can say it out loud, and then this masculine will be like, okay, I'm connecting with you. But he's starting to pay attention to divine feminine more and realize, like, I'm saying little slick stuff. Are you mad? Like, because you, not you, but you don't show your emotions or you don't express your emotions. So maybe if I look at your face and, you know, he's basically trying to see, like, how, like, because you have a poker face, but you have a telltale. So he's trying to see, like, if I say this and she does that, does that mean that she's upset? Like, so basically he's realizing that you do care, and what he thought, because this karmic feminine was projecting, basically this karmic feminine's energy is what he's picking up on. But because she's expressing the connection, because she's using his energy to connect with divine feminine to get the answer, and then distract the divine feminine or projecting insecurity, or you feel me? Because when I get mad, I get quiet because I don't want to say, or like, you feel me? I don't want my energy to be off. So motherfuckers, they'll say something to you to make you mad, and then you get all distracted and stuff like that, and then before you know it, girl. And then he's not putting two and two together because it's like, he's trying to get it together, but you don't know how long it's gonna take. So do you really feel like it's worth you missing your opportunity to be stable? uh What's this energy on? Once you take this opportunity, you can't go back to, like, nobody. Like, I keep hearing, like, no, you can't bring nobody with you, and final connect. I think you have to make a decision. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. They said this karmic feminine is realizing she's losing, so she's about to pack her bags and go away. That's that run away and never return, never to be seen again or heard from, or whatever the case may be. I don't know. So that I was enjoying what made me feel good is because this masculine was going through a stressful period in his life, and people was playing off his emotions, making him feel like this, that, and the third was going to happen, was trying to drive him crazy so that he could take divine feminine out because something might have happened, but he knew, like, I don't know. He tells divine feminine things because he knows this common feminine is trying to pick up on it, and if she feels that, It's like, yeah, he's sticking up for me, this, that, and that, blah, blah, blah. It doesn't mean that there's information that he doesn't know. You're probably doing something he knows about it, but he's playing the fool because he wants to, I don't know, eventually he's going to, I don't know. This masculine, he's really smart, but, you know, he'd rather do it the clean way instead of, you know.